Set key to on and wait for display to turn on. Complete all display startup tasks. Set all desired offsets for machine profile. Check Starfire signal before beginning. If strong, continue to update by going to Menu, Systems, Software Manager. Make sure View Updates for Display is selected and click Next. If there is a weak signal or no signal, but Wi-Fi is available, go to Menu, Systems, Wireless Settings. Turn machine to wireless on. Select the Edit button and log into your desired Wi-Fi. Exit back to the System menu. Return to Software Manager like earlier. Select the latest display software and download. Once complete, view and install download. Select Install, accept download. This will take several minutes to complete. Display is ready once complete.